Imagine reaching every patient in your facility with just one click. With the Ilara HMIS messaging module, you can do exactly that. Send instant broadcast messages to all your patients or target specific groups using smart filters, like when they were added to the system, their age, gender, payment methods, medical conditions, or even custom tags like chronic care programs or insurance types. Whether it's holiday greetings, health tips, service promotions, or full-blown marketing campaigns, this feature gives you limitless possibilities to stay connected with your patients and grow your facility. And the impact? Facilities already using the messaging module have seen higher patient engagement, better awareness of services, and stronger patient loyalty. To help you explore this feature, we've been offering free SMS credits. Now you can continue messaging by purchasing SMS bundles right inside the system, from the messaging module or admin panel, at prices lower than current market rates. Let's walk you through how to purchase SMS credits. Go to the messaging module. Click on the Add Credits button at the top. Select your preferred SMS bundle. Accept the terms and conditions. Enter your M-Pesa number, following the format shown in the placeholder. Click Initiate Payment. Check your phone for the SDK push prompt. Enter your M-Pesa PIN and confirm the payment. Once you receive a confirmation message from M-Pesa, click Complete in the system. That's it. Your credits will be loaded instantly. You can also purchase message credits in two other ways. From the new broadcast message screen by clicking Purchase Credits, or through the admin panel under Billing and Subscriptions by selecting Add Credits in the top right corner. All your SMS credit transactions will be tracked and visible in a table within the Billing and Subscriptions module, so you can always stay on top of your usage. So go ahead, start sending smart, impactful messages today, and watch your facility thrive with Ilara HMIS.